Morning, we're on day 2 here, traveling back across the country on Cyber Monday. We just left Chattanooga, great town, beautiful town in Tennessee, and we're heading out down towards Uniden in Dallas. Even though we got off late, we're going to try to drive. I think it's about 800 or so miles, so it's going to take us a while. But at any rate, since it's Cyber Monday, we wanted to bring up the specials that the Radar Busters is running, and some of them are going to be, I think, shorter term, but others are going to run to the end of the year. It would be an extended holiday type sale. And let's just start with the Uniden. We made this announcement, I think, yesterday on our Facebook page, Radar Busters. If you find that online, you can follow us, and then we have other video content up there and other announcements. But so we're just going to go over everything here and as we throw it up on YouTube. And of course, as always, if you'd like to get more content from us on YouTube, please subscribe, ring that bell, as Victoria always says. And as we get higher up to, I think if we hit like 20,000, we're behind on our social media, but trying to catch up. But if we get 20,000 on YouTube, we're going to have a product giveaway, our first, and the same on Facebook. If we get on to 1,000 followers, I think we're also going to have our YouTube. So just doing that. So anyway, let's get with the Uniden sale. Uniden's having a discount on with us on the R8 and R4 units, $50. So that comes out to $349 for the R4, making it a very competitive detector, extremely competitive, and the $649 on the new R8. So it's a great time to get those products. We have them in stock, and we're selling pretty good. The sales have popped up quite a bit since the sale's been posted on our website. So
it includes free shipping,
right?
And it also includes no tax,
right? If you're out of Arizona.
Unless you're in Arizona.
Correct.
We have no choice.
So that puts us on. I think we even still offer the VIP discounts just a little bit more. So I think that makes us the best deal on the internet. So be sure, if you're in the market for one of those awesome detectors, this is the time to get it. And I think that's going to run to the end of the year.
Yes.
I think, right? So it's really good. Okay. What else? Good news on the TMG front. We made a deal with TMG. They're going to be starting to ship product to us, I think, by the end of the week. They finished retooling the Alpha 15. Now it's, as you know already, the Alpha 17. And we convinced them we're going to work together on a sale, 10% across the board on all those products. The cables, the accessory, the VPR, CPU, the quad, the dual systems, heads, all that. We're just going to do a blanket 10% off. And we'll see how long they're going to be willing to allow us to do that. But, that could save you up to about $120 or more, depending on what you get. So,
but if you pre-ordered, because we did have people that went ahead and got their order in.
Correct.
We will go and refund you the discount.
Yeah, we're going to, for those who jumped on board with us early on that, you'll get the benefit of that, so you don't miss out.
And we'll ship yours first.
Yeah, that's right. We're going to ship them in the order that we get. But I think they're going to have enough for us to fulfill the early orders, at least I hope so. But so anyway, that's coming. We're really looking forward to that. We're going to get that sale started before we even get the unit to test. And once we do, we'll throw it up like we did the other day. It was a very comprehensive test. I'll be anxious to see how that does. It should be a good improvement over the 15. So, and of course, the TPX adaptive, we've also gone on, I think it's an exclusive arrangement with them for 10% on all their products. So that'll save you up to about $100 or so on the TPX products. And the automotive laser jammer, we're driving with that right now.
I like it.
Yeah, it's nice and simple, and it's extremely effective.
Easy to install.
Easy to install.
Very easy.
You don't need all that GPS and all that Bluetooth. It's just not needed. You just plug it in and it's good to go. Very easy to update. And you don't need anything special. It just works fabulous out of the box. So great product from them. And insofar as Whistler, we're wrangling with them. We're trying to twist their arm out. Not really, but we're going to try to get them to go on a deal with us as well and give a little bit of an inflation relief type deal, right? And that's oh, she did it again. Yeah, did this on Facebook Live. Yeah, I'm already on the record on it. Yeah, we're going to do a discount on Vail. She just hit me cold like that. But yeah, we'll do a discount. I think 10% off, right, and then free shipping on that product.
Right. Now that is a deal.
Yeah, it's
because you can almost do like 4 cars with that product.
Oh yeah, I mean it's the best laser defense thing out there. And even if you have a jammer, as you see it, like the TPX test and perhaps with the TMG, any kind of punch through as a result of less than optimal mounting or whatever, Vail was absolutely proven to show that it can improve. So it's a small investment to make for a backstop. Certainly less than the price of an additional head, just to give you even more coverage potentially. So anyway, yeah, I think that's all the major products. Escort, if you come on the site, whatever they're running, you'll get that pass through as well. But the last one we're going to try to notch up on the board at the moment is the Whistler. In fact, when we're done, I'm going to give them the horn with over there and try to get them to move on that. So anyway, I guess that's about it, right? So thanks for watching again. If you're not subscribing, please do. We would appreciate it. Ring the bell, and hope to bring you more interesting and more interactive content. So safe travels for those who are still traveling. And go ahead.
Nope, go ahead. I got my part.
Yeah. What are we going to say? Yeah.
Drive safe.
Right. Drive smart.
Most importantly, drive protected.
There you go. Take care.